Welcome. Now we will see part 2, how to recover your losses using strategy 3. Whatever losses incurred in our portfolio, especially we will be having some stocks which will be having too much of losses. Already part 1 video we saw what are all the strategies. Now we will see with example from my portfolio part 2 with strategy 3 using high momentum recovery of losses with high beta dividend stocks. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. You have to consult SEBI registered consultant before investing. So already we have seen 6 types strategy: capital preservation, passive income, aggressive recovery, technical averaging, systematic harvest, like that. Now in this video we will see strategy 3, the high momentum recovery, where we have to use high beta stocks combined with high dividend paying stocks. This will be useful for aggressive investors who want to recover their losses fast. Logic will be high beta stocks will be, as you know, will move faster, and along with that it will provide dividend, regular dividend also. So screenshots. And now Coal India. Already I have released a video, Coal India, and this is regular dividend paying stocks. Also Vedanta. These are all high beta stocks with high dividend yield. Now this is example from my portfolio. You can see already in last video I have told me to incurred losses in this IREDA and Tata Tech. So nearly it was 34% loss, another Tata Tech 46% loss. But one important point to note is, see now if you see IREDA is 115. When I sold it was 167. Tata Tech now 540, and when I sold it was 682. So just you have to think, if I were keeping it as it is, I would have incurred more losses. Another important point, if you see IRDA 34% fall, but if it has to recover to the by average 255, or the loss, if I have to recover the losses, it has to go up 52%. Similarly, Tata Tech has fallen by some 46%, but to recover the loss, it has to go double 86%. So that criteria you have to remember. Most people think, okay, 40% fall, okay, it has to, again we have to get 40%. No, it will be more than that 40%. Same Delta Corp also, from my portfolio you can see loss. My sell average was 68, now it has gone to 55. Exide Industry, same, from 387 now it is 309. It has come down severely. So it was a great escape. So that's what lesson we have to learn is, we cannot keep on holding the loss making stocks. At one point of time we have to make some decision and exit, otherwise it will be accumulating, the losses will be accumulating. So now we can see the strategy 3, as I told, Coal India, high beta, high dividend paying stocks. You can see realized profit was some 3250 in Coal India, and you can see Coal India dividends also, dividend around 554 rupees. So Coal India 1800 realized profit, along with Vedanta, actually it was Vedanta 3250, and you can see the dividend of Vedanta 3627. So this is across some 3-4 years. Actually it will be very difficult to recover even for a small loss, so we have to work very hard. So if you do the calculations, IRDA total loss is, IRDA, Tata Tech, Delta, Exide, total loss will be 18,995. So now if you combine Vedanta, Coal India and Embassy rate, Mindspace rate, this already in the last, okay, that in my part 1 video you can see that which one, Mindspace and Embassy. So dividend total 4650 I received, profit 5939. I mean I enter at the bottom of the swing and exit. So in that case it is profits and dividend which I got. So if you see, out of 18,995 loss, I have recovered 10,589. So 55% of the loss I have recovered. So kindly subscribe and like also without fail. Again we will see another one. If this has been whatever amount using strategy 3, I told 55% I have recovered. If you would have opted for a bank FD, whatever amount was lost, I mean balance amount, you would have got only 26%. That is only rupees 4,871 only you would have got. But there's a mismatch or gap in the above statement. If any one of you find that and mail me, I will provide you the stop loss hunting level, resistance and support levels for your 5 stocks. So that's that mismatch is not very tough to identify. Actually, it is a trick also. Simply, it is like a pumping. You just have a guess. So now you can understand. Instead of waiting, putting in FD, you have to make aggressive call by taking what investing in high beta, high dividend paying stocks. If you want a list, you can go to my playlist. What are all the high beta, high dividend paying shares? So this is what. So main rule is investment size has to be less. I mean, whenever you put a stock, what amount purchase, it should not be more than 5% of your total portfolio value or capital, so that you can recover whatever amount you have lost and you can keep on rotating. Even if, as I told, I will put only 3k or 3.5k at a time in one stock. If it goes down, again I will average 1k or 1.5k. So that is the main thing. That's what I was able to at least recover some of the losses, and I was able to rotate the capital in some other profit making stocks. So larger investments, it will be, if it is in lakhs, it will be very very difficult. So small capital, quick recovery. High exposure, it will be high risk. So I believe if you think this was useful, how to recover your losses using strategy 3, high risk, high beta investing. This you can have a look if you want. It will be useful for you. So whenever you invest, please invest in little amounts only. So that depending upon your capital, you can recover and also you can rotate properly. If you like this video, if it is really useful, please put a like and subscribe. Thank you.